Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm still alive, and in today's video we are going to be doing my standing witch's broom DIY that I've been talking about doing for the past few weeks. It's finally here. Anyways, the very first thing that I'm going to be doing is painting this wooden circle and this dowel rod black. I got the wooden circle from Walmart for $1, and then I got the wooden dowel from Home Depot for $3.67, and I do have a larger bottle of paint, but you can get smaller bottles of black paint from Walmart for around 58 cents. And then if you really want to count in all of the things that I used for this DIY, you can also get some paintbrushes for like $1 from Walmart. I haven't even mentioned why I decided to do this. One day I was doing a walkthrough in Joann Fabrics and they have a witch's broom. They had it last year, they have it again this year, and while I was looking at it, I was like, I could make this myself. It's $60, it's marked as $60, but as we all know, Joann's instantly puts their stuff on sale for 40% off, so it would be $36. So I was like, I think I can do this for a cheaper amount. So that's what I tried doing here. Anyways, I bought a plastic cup because this is where we're going to be gluing our sticks. So I bought this plastic cup, I cut a little X in it and put it onto the dowel rod. Alright, I did just show a drill, and that is because I'm going to be drilling a hole into the center of the wooden circle, and then I'm also going to be drilling a hole into the wooden dowel rod. Now, I know not everyone owns a drill, but there are other options if you want to do this. You could also use a nail and a hammer. I would pre-make a hole into the dowel rod and into the wooden circle with the nail, just like I did here. Basically, I drilled the hole into both the items. You could do that with a nail. I would just be very, very careful so it doesn't come out one side of the dowel rod. And even then, if you don't have a nail and a hammer, you could also use hot glue and E6000 glue. You can do this by putting some hot glue on the bottom of the dowel rod and then securing it with some E6000 glue around the base of it. Now, I did get a little bit behind. I did get the cup from the party section in Walmart, and I do believe it was like 97 cents. I put a little X on it with my utility knife. That was less than $2, again from Walmart. And right here, I'm putting some hot glue on the outer part of the cup just so the cup doesn't slide around. And then I went on a little adventure to collect some sticks. The sticks were absolutely free. You can get those outside in nature. Now, with the sticks, I basically held the sticks up to the cup before I put the hot glue on it, just because, you know, all of the sticks are shaped different and I didn't know how they would lay on the cup. So I would always hold them up to the cup before I hot glued them. And then the next thing I did was I took some of this Quick Colors spray paint, and this was $2.48 from Walmart. And the reason why I used this is because I wanted the bottom of the broom to be kind of glossy compared to the broom handle. I don't know if I mentioned this, but the broom handle is 4 foot long, and it was the longest one that I could find. That's why it came from Home Depot. And then I added these string lights. The one from Joann Fabrics, they had the battery pack at the top of the handle, but I did not like that. I wanted it to be hidden. So I basically just set it in the back and looped it over one of the sticks on the broom because it's going to be hidden when it's against the wall. So that's where I put it. I just let it hang there. And then for these string lights, I got them in the garden section. They are outdoor battery operated string lights, and I got them for $4.97. And then I basically just wrapped the string lights around the base of the broom all the way to the very top of the broom handle, and I secured it with a little bit of hot glue. And then finally, I took this Halloween Dollar Tree floral pick and I used this to cover up the top of the cup. I didn't want you to be able to see that, so that is what I did to hide it. I really should have turned off the string lights while I was doing this part so you could see it better. I apologize. I know next time not to do this. I honestly don't even know why I didn't turn them off. But yeah, anyways, this is pretty much the broom. I will show you a comparison of the broom that I made and the broom that I found at Joann's, along with the price comparison. All right, here is the comparison. Mine is on the left and Joann Fabrics is on the right. Let me know how I did in the comments down below.